Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. So here they are saying 300 joule is absorbed by a system and it's going from 2 liter to 3 liter and it's in 5 atm, right? And they are asking for the change in internal energy. So since we are dealing with chemistry, in chemistry the chemists look this system as different way. They look at the system from the point of view of the system. So the equation is going to be for internal energy, that's going to be Q plus W. You may have seen delta G is equal to Q minus W in thermodynamics. That's different story because when it comes to chemistry, they look in terms of system, like from the point of view of system. So that's why we have the sign different right here. So that's how it's going to be in chemistry, right? So let's see how we can calculate this one. So we know that we need the heat energy. So here this is an endothermic process, we know, because it's positive, right? So endothermic, so we don't have to find that, we know the Q already. We have to find the work. So here we are going to use work is equal to minus P delta V, right? So this is the equation because this is an isobaric process. If you notice, the pressure is constant, so we can use this equation. So here we are going to use minus PV delta V minus P is going to be minus 5 atm. Atm times delta V is going to be final minus initial, that's going to be just 1 liter, right? So we have this one right here. And then now we have to convert this one into joule. So we know that this much, if I to convert this one into joule, I have to multiply this one by 101.3 joule per atm liter. So whenever we have atm liter, we can convert it into joule by using this value right here. So let's see what we get. And if you multiply this one by this one, that's going to give you negative 505 and again 15. So that's going to be 506.5, right? So negative 506.5 joule. So that's the work done by the system. If you see in thermodynamics or any engineering courses, you may have seen that when we have done by the system, it's going to be positive. But here in chemistry, it's different, negative, right? So we get negative answer. And now all we have to do is just plug in this equation. So delta E is going to be equal to Q plus W. So here we know the heat already, that's 300 joule. 300 plus, so this is minus, so let's put minus directly. So minus 506.5 joule. So if you calculate this one, that's going to give you negative 206.5 joule. So this is how much heat lost by the system, and that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.